Hello guys.
Come on, say hello.
Hello. Today we are in Devil's Bridge in Wales, and right now I'm gonna show you. Wait. Now the bridge is there. The water's there, and we're gonna show you the map here. So, can you tell us what we're gonna do in this Devil Bridge?
We're gonna
We're gonna what?
we're gonna go there.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Ugh. Okay, I just have to show you something.
Oh my god, this is a devil.
This one, the devil. Funny.
It looks
yeah.
like a character.
You can't even read this because this is in Wales language. Wales and now English here.
We don't know why this is a devil bridge.
Look, legend. The devil built the first bridge, which spans this deep shore. The story says that he was bribing an old lady who needed a way to get her cow back after it had somehow wandered to the other side. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I don't know what we're doing, but let's go.
So what's devil bridge?
Oh,
Devil bridge is in Wales. Is devil bridge
Okay.
in Wales? What? And
Hello boy, where are you?
okay. It's my dad. My dad is that right now. So I got my hiking boots on because if I wear my normal shoes, maybe I'm gonna fall or whatever. Ah ha ha! It's a long walk, so oh, I saw something. Oh, bird.
please.
Okay. Does it look beautiful?
Yeah.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah, but
And right now I have my glove. I'm wearing my gloves on my right hand.
I'm wearing my hat and my scarf.
Wait, can you hold this?
Okay.
Vivan is gonna hold, so. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Yeah, middle.
stone. Oh wow! Oh, there's a table here. There's a table. And look at the view. Table. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, let's go from here. Oh, you can sit in the bench. Ah, a nice view. Okay, let's just keep it. Let's keep going.
Now I know. Good.
A nice view, guys.
What a nice.
Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah.
I want to hold Vivan because you were might gonna hold Vivan. Hold my hand. No, hold my hand please.
Okay,
You never know this road is not.
okay. Right now, there's so many stones. My dad is right now holding Vivan because Vivan will never know that he will fall, so you can just listen. Okay. Oh my gosh. Tell me in the comments if you have been to Wales before and might seen Devil's Bridge or have seen it or heard it before. Tell me in the comments if you've been to Wales. I've been to Wales because my mom had to book my whole family to go hotel, and the hotel had today. In the hotel, I went to swimming. There's like the swimming pool, and it was fun. So, yeah, I don't know what is it called. Look at that. Okay, let's keep going. Okay. Oh gosh. I don't know when we will drive to the Devil Bridge, but yeah. After Devil Bridge, I think. Oh yeah, after Devil Bridge, I will record another video to Eden Valley. So this Eden Valley is like where this like water like goes down, which is, I think, yeah, it goes down and that's it. But at the top, we can just cross. And there's a coin. Oh, in this tree, in this cut tree. Oh my god, I can't even collect them.
Wow.
A tree coin. Tree coin.
That's so beautiful.
That's a tree coin.
I've never seen that
Okay.
before.
Let's keep going. Oh no,
Oh my god.
this is so hard.
I don't.
River there. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a river there.
We're gonna go there, okay? And then go down all the way down and come back, okay?
Okay. River there. Let's keep going.
No.
It's okay if you want to see.
It's okay.
Just ignore it. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Okay, I'm just going to here. This is foot. Look, I see a letter. Let's go check. Let's go check the letter. Oh my gosh, Vivan is right now walking himself without holding my dad's hand. It's not weird, you just have to. Oh, okay. Footpath this way. Okay, now this other bench, let me sit there. Oh, what does it say? Okay, let's just keep going. Oof, 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 oof. Okay, this is too steep. Stop, be careful. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah. Oh, something good for you guys. I see a sign. Oh, look, the water's just right there. I think we can see devil. Oh, let's go here first. Oh, okay. We have information about the. Let me see. Let's get closer. It's all about the whale in Wales. As the pine marten is back from the brink. Okay, let's read this. The woodland mammal. So yeah, that's it. Okay, look, the waterfall. We are nearly there. It's the waterfall. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you. Bye.